and you're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. As the entire nation remembers Mahatma Gandhi on his 71st death anniversary, President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to the father of the nation. Kovind, Modi and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu paid floral tributes at Gandhi's memorial at Rajghat today. Other leaders such as interim Congress chief Sonia Gandhi and veteran BJP leader Lal Krishna Advani also paid tributes. The European Parliament has decided to defer voting on a resolution against India's new citizenship law. It has instead decided to take up the voting against the CAA during its new session beginning March 2nd. A draft of the final resolution, which combines the 6 previous resolutions by several parties, says it deeply regrets the adoption and implementation of the CAA, which is discriminatory in nature and dangerously divisive. Hailing it as a diplomatic victory, the Indian government has maintained that the CAA, which was passed by the Indian Parliament last month, is an internal matter of the country. With the Delhi Assembly polls just a week away, the BJP has upped its ante against the anti-CAA protesters at Shaheen Bagh, which has become the epicenter of the anti-CAA protests. A top BJP leader, Tarun Chugh, said that the national capital will not be allowed to become Syria. BJP leaders have been spewing venom against the Shaheen Bagh protesters, making Shaheen Bagh the main issue in the Delhi elections. AAP knocks at Election Commission's door, urging it to impose a 48-hour campaign ban on Union Home Minister Amit Shah for allegedly tweeting a fake video on the Delhi government schools. AAP leaders Singh and Pankaj Gupta complained to the EC against the circulation of the fake videos of Delhi government schools by BJP leaders to falsely defame Delhiites. The Uttar Pradesh Special Task Force on Wednesday arrested Dr. Kafil Khan from Mumbai. Dr. Kafil Khan was arrested for his inflammatory remarks during an Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest in Aligarh. Kafil Khan was scheduled to be at Mumbai Bagh protest on Thursday. In the same mold as Delhi's Shaheen Bagh, the women protesters have started an indefinite stir against the CAA at Mumbai Bagh, with the agitation entering 4th day on Thursday. No end to the coronavirus crisis as the death toll has risen to 170, and with a confirmed case in Tibet, the virus has now spread to every region in the mainland China. Chinese health authorities have said that there have been 7,711 confirmed cases in the country as of 29th of January. Infections have also spread to at least 16 other countries. The World Health Organization will meet today to discuss whether the virus constitutes a global health emergency. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.